Okay, g'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In tonight's tutorial, we're going to look at how to create a drip effect. So what do we need? We need some elements. So I'm going to choose this red Coke, red canned soda, and I'm going to bring that into here. So what we do now is we then come over to another page and we choose a drip effect. So I'm going to use this drip effect. So drip paint silhouette dripping liquid, and it is going to come in as black, and then I'm going to bring into it a shape, and I'm going to place the shape right there. And what I'll do is send the shape to back and change the color to yellow and change the drip to white. So what I need to do then is come over to share and download that. Now because I did some before, I'm just going to go over to uploads and I'm going to choose the one that slightly different, but I'm going to choose the one that I uploaded already. Okay, so what we need to do is when it comes back into Canva, we need to go to background remover, press on background remover, and you will see this particular image appear. So just bring that down to get rid of that line, and what we need to do is bring it down to a location on your image and expand it out like so. Okay, and as you can kind of see, this is going to be the drip effect on the can. So it's quite simple. Then we just come over here, change the background color to the same color as the drip, and because we've got this space here, again we come over to elements, grab the square and just cover and change the square to yellow. Alright, and now we have that drip effect. To make sure that we're able to use this image in another design and not have to worry about these two elements here, we come over, go to download, select the right page, download, can drag that all the way up, get the best size, go to download. Okay, and then when that is downloaded, just bring a new page. It should appear up here. So drag that into a new canvas and come over once it's gone to a tick up here. Okay, should happen very soon. This is a pretty cool effect, this drip effect. You can create some really cool designs. So now that that is given us a tick of approval, come over to background remover and it will remove the yellow background and leave us with the white. Alright, so we then just bring the sidebars in, top bars, sidebars, alright, and drag it, center it. And what I did was just bring a shadow into it. So I just used a drop shadow. Alright, bring that into it, put it down here so it sort of like looks like it's floating. And we can change the background color. Alright, pretty much to anything. Alright, like so, any of these colors. Alright, and there you have it. That's how you create the drip effect in Canva. So again, thank you very much for watching the tutorial. Hope you've learnt something. Pretty simple tutorial. Don't forget to jump onto my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, press the notification button, and as I always say, have fun with Canva, and until next time, enjoy.